Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Izzy and today I'm going to show you how to do this eye pink crazy amazing inner corner eyeball. Subscribe to my channel before we start the video because we're friends and friends subscribe and that's important. Subscribe to my channel. Red button, bell, so you know every time I upload. Subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and yeah, let's get started on this look. So first, I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the Sonia Kashuk's same old Hidden Agenda concealer palette, pinky shade, and I'm gonna put it on my eyelid to prime. I'm gonna set it with the powder in the powder. I clean my brushes. That's the main thing. So I'm gonna do a pinky look today for the channel. I'm gonna start with Wake Up Call by ColourPop. This transition shade. That's a tip that beauty gurus give to the world, and I just learned that you need a transition. It doesn't matter if it's not very crazy color. It will be like a warm brown, cool brown, light, and you just put it on your crease like I'm doing right now, and it's just gonna transition, like the name says, into the darker shades. So you want to go from lightest shade to the darkest shade, and that's gonna be like a gradient, and it's gonna look seamless, like, oh, that's your eyeball. It's totally not like an hour's worth. This is the news. Lower. So the pinky starts going through. This you want to build it up because it's like more over. So very those flower boy. Pink. So I'm packing it on in most of my lid. When you really want to pigment like a shadow to bam, you just pat it. If you do this, it's gonna blend the color and pigment. I'm gonna use the darkest shade of this palette thing, which is this one, and it's Get Out. Okay, so I use tape so the lines like show you how to do it because it's real easy. Regular tape, it doesn't have to be special tape. Grab a little bit. Put it in your hand for 2 seconds, so it's not as sticky and it rips your skin off. And you follow your eye, your lower lash line continue and in that line you put the tape. You put it on like that and bang. See, you follow your lower lash line. And now you start doing your eye, which I will do off camera because it's the repetition of it. So for my brow bone, I use the I Love Sarai ColourPop palette Cheeky, which is distressed. Right in the high points of my brow. That was too much. Start with my face. Correcting, as always. I want to know, people that watch this, human beings that watch the video, leave me down in the comments, what's your favorite concealer? That's not Shape Tape. I don't have Shape Tape, so, well, I know a lot of people's favorites. It's Shape Tape because it's amazing. So I want to know another concealer that's not Shape Tape. Because I love concealer. It's my favorite thing. On the Sean, I'm gonna use the Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in 104 Golden Beige. I just do this like to cover my entire the Izzie one today. I love this concealer. It's the best. Blend that out. Shade Light. It's Age Rewind from Maybelline in the shade Light. I know, Fair. That explains everything. It's supposed to be a light. I need to buy Light because Fair has a pinky undertone. I don't know if you can see it, but I can. It's a big color. I'm gonna use Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm gonna finish my eyeballs. I'm using Wake Up Call first, all over. Okay, so next, I'm gonna use the News. And then use Get Out on the outer corner. For the inner corner, I'm gonna use from the Cheeky palette as well. This shade, Vivacious. It's gonna be like pop glitter. See that? Boom, magic. I should have used the brush. I'm gonna dust off any extra. Okay, so I did my bronzer with the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer in Bikini Contest. We're gonna use the blush by Wet n Wild in Pearlescent Pink. I like bringing it back. I like bringing my blush backwards because if it's like this, I don't look cute. If it's like only on the other cheek. Is highlighter. Wet n Wild, the Mega Glow highlighter in Petals. I like using this. I don't know. I like doing the C. Like this. Like a C here. For my eyes, to finish them, I use the Technical MAC Graph Black Liner. Curl my lashes. Now I'm gonna use the Falsies mascara. Now for my lip, Colourpop Lippy Stick in the shade Harper. It's matte. So good. A little bit of Nude Lust by Maybelline. Lighten it up a bit. I'm gonna use setting spray, the Master Fix Wear Boosting setting spray. You want to dry it. Do setting spray and just bounce the beauty blender on it. So here's the finished look. Pink cut. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below. You can subscribe. That's and see you on my next video. Follow me on my other socials. Instagram, makeup_by_Izzie, and Facebook and Twitter, makeup by Izzie. See you on my next one. Bye!